Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Nonna Pina, welcome back. How are you?
How about you?
Nonna Pina, do you know we're almost at 30 episodes? Trend the Shoma. So, almost 30. This is going to be, I believe, the 28th, I think. But anyhow, there's some good stuff in front of us here, Nonna Pina. What are we making today? Come fare, ma.
Cotolette.
Okay.
The chicken.
Yes. Or as people know it in English, we're actually making chicken Parmigiano. So chicken Parmigiano can be done various ways. I've seen it done by different chefs, but Nonna Pina's going to do it her way. So Nonna Pina, what do we have here? We've got some mozzarella, which will come into play later on.
Chicken.
Yep, chicken breast.
Eggs.
Ma, is it chicken breast?
Yeah.
Okay, chicken breast, yeah. What else?
Eggs.
Okay, and in the eggs we just put some oregano, salt, black pepper, and some hot pepper flakes, just a couple. And you're going to whisk that, right, Nonna Pina?
Yeah.
And you're going to whisk it, and then we have breadcrumbs. So what you're going to do, first step, is you're going to dip the chicken in the egg wash into the bread crumbs, and then we're going to fry it. That'll be step number 1 of chicken Parmigiano. Okay, Nonna Pina, let's see you do it. Okay, Nonna Pina. So we have fried these up, not all the way. When I say not all the way, you just literally want to do a minute on each side, not even 45 seconds, because this is going to bake in the oven still. This is part of the process here. Nonna Pina puts them in the oven. So, Nonna Pina, let's see the next step here. I'll help you as well. I'm going to grab the tomato sauce. Okay, Nonna Pina, now we've got this beautiful sauce that you're going to spread on the bottom of this tray here. And I want to note that Nonna Pina's sauce has some ground beef in it because she likes making like a ragu. So this is the sauce she's using. You don't have to use that type of sauce. That's totally up to you. So what you're going to do now, Nonna Pina, is what? You're going to layer this.
My wife, all things became brand new. The sun shone brighter, the clouds were whiter, the sky a different blue. And I could swear that I could hear angels singing to you. The bow and the strings romantically sing mellow tones.
Okay, Nonna Pina, so we have done 3 or 4 layers. So it's a layer of sauce, layer of the chicken or veal, because we're actually also used veal in this, because Nonna Pina likes veal as well. So you can use chicken, veal, pork, I guess, if you wanted to, in this style of Parmigiano. So now, Nonna Pina, very much like a lasagna, you're going to put this in the oven for how long?
Maybe 1 hour.
Okay, so 1 hour in the oven. It'll cook more. It'll finish its cooking in that next hour. And you're gonna wrap it in foil?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, Nonna Pina, this is gonna be exciting. It's been 1 hour at 400 degrees. Bubbly, 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 bubbly. Bring that bubbly over here, Nonna Pina. Wait a minute. Here it comes. Da-na-na-na-na-na-na-na. All right, Nonna Pina, this is gonna be good. Let's see it. Don't burn yourself.
Ooh,
Okay, so
good.
1 hour. Cheese is nice and melted. Nonna Pina, can you take a piece for us and let's see what we got here. Okay. All right. Okay. So with the fork, Nonna Pina, not with the knife. Let me see if the fork just goes right through. Tagliela con forchetta, ma. Tagliela solo con forchetta per fare vedere quando è. Look at this fork tender, ladies and gentlemen. Fork tender. That is a piece of the veal cutlet, and as you know, we did chicken cutlets as well. Let's see, Nonna Pina. Can I just see it? Very nice. Why don't you give that a taste, Nonna Pina? Come dust. Hot? Tender?
Yeah.
Tender? Yeah? Very good. Well, ladies and gentlemen, that is chicken parmigiano. We also used some veal. I hope you enjoyed this episode. It looks good. Nonna Pina, say bye to the lovely people. Thank you.
All right.
All right.